Hello, this is Eddie with RMC Miami. You're looking at our 1987 BMW M6. This car is an original California car for its entire life. It's got 207,000 miles and it's a little bit of a project. However, mechanically the car is extremely solid. The car's never been in any accident. It's got really straight body lines. Original BBS basket weave wheels. The car is completely bone stock, has not been modified. Was someone's daily driver for the last 20 years. It's got tons of service records. Runs and drives great. Paint has seen better days. It's got, regular old paint stuff. Get a good look at it here. Power windows work, sunroof works, interior could also use some work. But if someone wants to put the TLC into it, this could be an extremely nice car. Great driver. And I'm just gonna do a little walk around of it, turn it on so you can hear it, show you some of the imperfections and flaws, obviously being a project car. Go ahead and come over to the driver's side. And turn it on. Show you the interior, door panels. It's got matching VIN tags on each panel. You'll notice that throughout the pictures and the video I'll show you. The dash is really nice considering the age of the car. A lot of times on this corner it'll warp a lot. As you can see here, it's barely warped. It's got a couple cracks here on the top. You can see it there. Small little cracks, nothing too major. Steering wheel's in good condition. Power seats work. Windows work. Sunroof works. Back seats are okay. You can see here. Go ahead and turn it on. Turns right on. Real good idle. The AC blows, it doesn't blow very cold. It could just be a charge, but it runs real nice. I'll show you the motor. Here's the engine bay. Racing Dynamics strut bar. Go ahead and show you inside the trunk. Let you hear the exhaust, the idle. Idles nicely. It's got a brand new Bosch battery. You can see here. Floors are really nice, as I showed you in the photos. I'll go ahead and show you again. Floors are real nice. The spare is there. All the tools are there. Like I said, it runs really nicely. Show you the passenger seat. Door panel here. Passenger seat. Pretty nice, not too bad. Definitely not as bad as the driver's seat. Like I said, it's kind of a light restoration car. It could use some work, clearly, but it's got solid bones. It's got tons of records. Runs great. If you have any questions on this car or any other car in my inventory, feel free to call me. My phone number is 305-527-6867. Again, my name is Eddie. Thank you for watching and look forward to hearing from you.